This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to link your Sofi account to PayPal. It's a straightforward process that ensures you can manage your finances seamlessly between these two platforms. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your PayPal account. If you're not familiar with how to do this, simply head over to the PayPal website and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options on the main dashboard. What we're interested in today is the wallet section, which you can find at the top of the page. Once you navigate to your wallet, you'll see an option that says link a card or bank. Click on that and you'll be presented with two choices, linking a card or linking a bank account. Since we want to connect your Sofi account, go ahead and select link a bank account. Now it's time to search for Sofi. You'll see a list of banks and financial institutions, and you can use the search bar to find Sofi easily. Once you find it, click to select it. This will bring you to the next step where you have two options to link your account. The first option is to connect instantly by entering your Sofi online banking credentials. This is the quicker and more straightforward method. Simply input your username and password and you'll be connected in no time. However, if you prefer not to use this method, there is an alternative. You can choose to set up the connection manually. For this, you'll need your Sofi routing number and account number. Enter these details carefully to ensure there are no mistakes, as this information is crucial for linking your account correctly. PayPal will guide you through the prompts to confirm the connection, so just follow along. Once you've completed either of these methods, PayPal will verify your information. This might take a few moments, but once it's done, your Sofi account will be successfully linked to PayPal. And there you have it. You're all set to manage your funds effortlessly between Sofi and PayPal. And that's it. That's how to link Sofi to PayPal. Hopefully you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching and happy financial managing.